Hello, second grade friends. This is going to be a review of all of the graphs that we have been studying in this whole unit. Now, if you look on my screen, it says pre-assessment. We didn't get to take a pretest because we're not at school and Mrs. Rasmussen and Mrs. Hoffmeister didn't send home the pretest. So this is the pretest and it will look exactly like your post-test. It'll just be different numbers, but you'll have to do the same things. It'll be right here in Seesaw, just like Mrs. Hoffmeister is doing. So you will do everything just like me. So if you have questions, make sure you look back at the video. Okay? So the first thing we have to do is use this data in this graph to help us create all the different kinds of graphs. But first, we have to color each type of animal using a different color. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put a big highlight dot on top of each one because I don't have time and you don't have time to color in each one of those little animals. So we're going to start with the fish and we're going to do our fish purple. There's one fish, two fish, three fish, four fish. All right, now I'm going to find some red. Let's color our birds red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next I'm going to use green. I think let's do my puppies green. I'm going to have to do a lot of dots on that guy because he's kind of light colored. We decided that in one of the last videos I did. That green's really light. Okay, let's see. Let's do my kitties. Let's do them a pink. Pink kitty, pink kitty. And then let's do our bunny. Let's do him yellow. And then we also have, I can't reach it. My recording picture is on top of it. Gotta move it out of the way so I can move my guy. Let's do this dark purple. I think that's a beaver. I'm not sure. Guess we'll find out as we get going here. So first page is, I think I'm going to move it over here. Sorry, I'm learning as I go here. First page, we got it all colored in. Each different animal is a different color. Okay, oh, it's a hamster. Okay, so here's my key. So we have to fill out this graph by each one that we have. So we have to go back and we have to look, how many fish did we have? Well, let's count my fish. Those were purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 fish. So I'm going to use a pen and I'm going to make a 4. All right, let's go back and look at birds. Birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 birds also. All right, let's look at dogs. My dogs were green. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, I have 4 dogs too. All right, let's go back and look at cats. Cats were this purple, pinkish color. 1, 2, only 2 cats. 2. And remember our rabbit, I remember without even going back and looking, our rabbit was our one yellow one. And then that hamster that I didn't know, there was only one of him also. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to color in this. This is going to be kind of hard to color in, okay? Don't let it get you frustrated. What we're going to do is we're going to color it the same colors that we colored each one of these. So fish is going to be purple. Okay, so what I'm going to do, watch. I'm going to go to my purple and I'm going to color my fish purple. And then I'm going to go back and my birds were red. And I'm going to color my bird red. And my dogs, I remember, were green. My dogs were green. And then my cats. What color were my cats? Purplish, pinkish. This color. Cats. And my rabbit was yellow. I remember that one. And then my hamster was that like dark purplish color. I really like this color. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take that and we're gonna go to my dark purplish color. And we're gonna color in one of them. We're gonna go a little fatter here. Oh, that's perfect. Look at how easy that one is. Use that one. And my rabbit was yellow. I have one yellow rabbit. My rabbit was yellow. He's done. And my cat was the purple. And there were 2 cats, so I'm going to go 1, 2. Yes, this was so much easier than that highlighter I was using, guys. Use this one. And then my dogs were green. How many dogs did I have? I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can fill those guys in. Okay, and then I have my birds, which were red. And there were 4 of those also. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to color those guys in. This is a lot easier to color with this than it was the other one. I have much more control over it. Okay, and then I should have 4 left for fish. Which was kind of that. I think I did the fish, and I think I did the cat backwards colors. But you know what? As long as your colors match your key, if it doesn't quite match the one from before, it's okay. Ooh, oops. Watch me fix that. There. Still red. Okay, so now I have to say which animal had the most. Which animal had the most? Oh, this is tricky. There were more than one. So I'm going to make a text box because I think that is easier. Fish, bird, and dog. And I'm going to stretch it out. And I'm going to make it fit on my line. Look at that. Which animal had the least? I had 2. Rabbit and hamster. Stretch it out so that it's all on one line. And then I'm going to move it down here. Ta-da! And that page is done. So now I'm going to go to the next page. This page is just a tally chart. So this one should be pretty easy. So we're going to go back to our data. Fish. How many fish were there? Yes, 4. So I'm going to make my tally chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. My total? 4. Bird. My birds were red. There were 4 of those also. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Oh, that one was kind of sloppy. Dog. Remember, there were 4 green dogs too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of those also. Okay, cats. Let's go back to my cats. Cats. I see 2 cats. 1, 2. And then I'm going to make a 2 in my total. 2. Perfecto. Remember, we had 1 rabbit and 1 hamster. So my total is 1 and 1. This one was a pretty easy chart, wasn't it, friends? Okay, let's look at this one. This one's a line graph. Okay, so I have to think about that same data. We're using that same information. Mrs. Hoffmeister remembers that I think I'm just going to use a dark color. Fish, we had 4. And birds and dogs, we had 4. Fish, here's my dot. Bird, here's my dot. Oh, dog, they tricked us. They put a hamster right here. I'm going to have to go down to the 1 because I only had 1 hamster and I only had 1 rabbit. How many cats did I have? Yes, that's right. I had 2 cats. Now I need to take a skinnier one. And what do I need to do with these lines? Yes, I need to connect them here, down, up, down, down. There's my line graph. I'm running out of time, guys. I'm going to try to go fast here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do them all the same color. I'm going to do them all this blue. Okay, remember, fish. Maybe we'll just do this purple. We're just going to do this. Fish, we had 4. Oh, we're not doing that. We're going to go back to this marker. I liked this one. I want it fat. 4. All the way down, over. See how quick this goes if I use the right marker? Ta-da. Done. Fish. Birds. Birds, I had 4. Do the same thing. I'm going to go straight over. Hamster. I only had 1 hamster. Dogs. Remember, I had 4 dogs. And I had 2 cats. And I only had 1 rabbit. Okay, so there is my bar graph with all the same color. Remember, you can use different colors. That's okay to choose to do also. I'm in a hurry because I don't want to run out of time. Okay, so now we're doing a picture graph. See how they used a diamond? Mrs. Hoffmeister is going to just use a circle because that's easier to use. Okay, so we're just going to use this circle. Fish, remember we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Birds, we had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hamsters, we only had 1. Dogs, we had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cats, we had 2. 1, 2. Rabbits, we had 1. Okay, now we're going to answer our questions down here at the bottom. How many more people like fish than birds? Did I do that wrong? That's a weird kind of question. How many more people like fish than birds? Well, none, because it's the same. So we're going to make that a 0. Oh, my goodness. I keep choosing the wrong one, and it keeps making a mess on my paper. We're going to go skinnier. 0. How many people liked cats and rabbits?